To test Bricks Page Builder. I will try to make 3 cards by using section and columns. Yeah, let's start. So I'm going to choose the section here. Okay, I'm going to select the section, make sure there is a black background or some gray color background. I'm going here in the container, and I can divide the container in 3 columns. Okay, so we have column 1, 2 and 3, and of course this is the container. Okay, so in the first column I'm going to add some content, so I'm going to click on plus, heading, then basic text, icon, button. So I'm going to drag this on the top. Oops, not too much. Okay, you can also check on the structure here. This is like the navigator of Elementor. It's like the same thing. So here I want to add some spacing, right? They are using a flexbox, so it's really cool because you can get, you can select the column here first, then go on content and row gap 20 pixel, and voila, you have everything spaced evenly. And we can also add some style, layout, margin, like to EM, and I lock this, or you can use pixel if you want. I like to use EM too. Padding, we can do like for EM of padding. Of course, you need to link all the sides like that. And we have our first card, right? So let's design it a little bit. So where is the background here? Here we are, color white. I'm also going to add some border and box shadow. So the border, I will just add some radius, so 10 pixel. Link this to all the sides, and as you can see now the borders changed. And then where is it? Oh, box shadow, here is it. Just like 20 pixel here. Oh, first we should select a color, otherwise I don't see anything. Here we are. So blur 40 pixel maybe. Okay, and color again, and I just would give some transparency to it so that it's not too strong. Oops, like that. And yeah, I think that the first card is built, like we did this in a few minutes maybe, not sure how much time, but it was pretty quick. What you can do actually here is you can duplicate the column, and another cool feature of Bricks is that actually you are able to create classes. I tested a class like 5 minutes ago. I'm going to delete this and try to build it again and see what happens. You can call the class whatever you want, like simple card version 1, and now this class could be reused through other elements. Okay, so I remove the columns. I'm going to just duplicate this. So actually the class thing is used to style the box, right? Let's say the background would be yellow. Okay, the problem here is that it's not showing anything because we have overwritten this. If I remove the class, as you can see, the item has already a white background, and if I remove this, it's becoming yellow. That was the thing wasn't really clear to me, but this is how it works. Means that if you use a class and you change the background, it's going to probably override it. But of course, if you click here, select this, now we are editing the class. So right now the class is yellow. Okay, does this make sense? I mean, it's quite complex at the beginning, but you will be used to. Here again, this is using the same class, right? But we have a background, the white background, that is overwriting this class. So I can remove this, and as you can see, it's getting the color. So again, here I can remove this, and now the three cards are having this card here. Of course, if you remove this class, as you can see, it's removing the styling, right? The yellow styling that we added. So if I get it back, it's adding the yellow style. So what happens if I change this? When this is here, okay, and you remove it, doesn't mean this element doesn't have the class. As you can see, it's still here. When you select it here, means you are going to edit the class, okay? I'm editing this class. Again, if I remove it, this will be always the class because we are seeing it here, okay? Just click it on it. If you remove this, the class was removed, but okay. So again, I'm going to select this, and usually you should remove this if you don't want to edit the class, but it's maintaining the class. If you want to edit the class, click on it wherever you want. You can do the same thing on the other cards, and then if you change the color, everything is changing. So I've tried to explain this and I hope was clear. I mean, this feature is very, very useful because you can change many parts of the website without having to edit each item. In Elementor, it's very similar to, you know, global elements, but the problem of global elements is that you cannot edit the content of it, right? So if this would be a global element and this would be a global element, they would have the same content. But in this case, with classes, you can change the content inside each card and maintain the style. So that is very, very useful. I hope that this tutorial was useful, guys. I really enjoyed using bricks. I hope to make new tutorials. Let me know in the comments below if you want to understand better this page builder. By the way, this page builder, it's really, really high in speed. You get like green light on Google PageSpeed with this one, so I highly suggest it. Of course, Elementor is still my first choice for all my projects, but this is very cool for landing pages. See you in the next video. Bye!